So I'll be showing you how to control your Apple Watch from your iPhone. So if you feel like the Apple Watch screen is a little too small for something you want to do, then you can control it on the slightly bigger display. So what you need to do is, once you have your Apple Watch paired to your iPhone, just go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to accessibility, tap on that. Under accessibility, you should now see the option for Apple Watch mirroring. So tap on that and enable Apple Watch mirroring, and that's going to mirror your Apple Watch to your iPhone. So once you enable that, you can now see that it's going to try and mirror this Apple Watch here. There you go. So the mirroring has started, and you can even see a blue indicator around the screen of your watch telling you that something is going on. So here we do have a significantly bigger display, and all you have to do is use the touchscreen. So for instance, to go to the control center, just swipe up and swipe down to close that. To press the digital crown, just press the one on the screen. Just tap on it. That's the equivalent of pressing the digital crown on your watch. And then you can scroll through the apps. Now this feed is a little slow, but it's working. Okay. It takes a minute to reflect what's going on the watch here. So let's say, for instance, you want to go to the workout app. Just tap on the workout app and then scroll. It's a little slow responding or mirroring whatever is going on the watch, but on the watch it's actually in real time, as you can see. Okay, then now you can hit the crown to go back to the watch face, like that. And that's basically how to control your Apple Watch using your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I used the iPhone 14 Pro controlling my Apple Watch Series 8, but you can do this on other iPhones and Apple Watch as well. Thanks for watching and good luck.